The money now.
You will give me 2.5. You take 2.5 now.
Asparity.
No.
Hey, God, oh, see this girl where I carry come Lagos.
And so
We do paro, you want make her share 50-50 with you. On top waiting.
Problem.
On top waiting.
Okay, how much you can give me now?
Wait, so she not your guy.
Hey.
Now me they carry, I be na you.
Enjoying pass. Enjoying pass.
They see they carry my leg, put her like this. They carry the other put her like this. You know how this man fuck me?
Put me.
You know how this man fuck me? I don't go give you anything.
I know the for that one. Give me 2.5 they go.
Hello, babes. What's happen now? When I know verse, we dey shoot for that side. As na dey talk, na voice dey enter our shooting. I beg, wetin happen?
See this girl, oh. Somebody carry us, we do paro. She want make her share 50-50. She dey craze. Oh, come on, kill you.
Wait.
I don't go give you anything. Shut up. You know fit. I don't go give you.
Hello, wait, sister. No, make una no fight now. Make I explain for me. At least make I contribute small.
I go give her. You know fit.
Wetin happen, sister? Wetin really happen?
Okay. One man carry us come lunch. He say he go give us 10,000. Before we wake up, he drop 5,000 for us. I can't say okay, we go share 2.5. She can't say she'll give me 2.5. She'll give me 2,000. Take 3,000. I don't think it's possible now.
My sister, na so e be.
No be so. We there for junction. Say you dey hear me. We there for junction. One man come carry me. I tell her say okay because say she dey there. Now only she remain. I say me she follow me. As someone girl where I carry come Lagos. Me we go anything where they might give us. I go carry some more give her. I not do you well.
She would the man enjoy pass.
Say for
Who the man enjoy pass?
No be me fuck her.
I beg I know the for the one give my
I
money make I
know
come
to give
go.
you that 2.5.
Wait, sister,
You know fit.
wait now.
Okay now.
Beat me collector.
We go see
Beat me
now.
collector. Person where I carry come
Wait,
Lagos.
my sister, everything no be fight. At least me and somebody don't dey here. Make we settle the matter now. Okay. How much the man supposed to give us?
Na 20k.
Okay, the man can drop 5k.
Yes.
Why the man come like that now?
I don't know for you.
Well, maybe na the country, yeah. But me na no fight now. Me na.
For money issue.
Give me, bring the money.
You know say na money dey divide blood.
We
I
know.
go
We
beat her here.
You know fit.
No fight.
You know fit.
No fight now.
I can't see this girl. I carry this girl come Lagos. She not get anything. All this thing where she dey wear, na me give her. She dey tell me say make we share money.
She don't give me money.
I understand you. Wait, I understand
This
you.
big way they you go. If you bet now, you go pay for the week.
Wait,
Come out from my head now.
hello sister, you the vex oh. Your blood is hot where?
Very well, sir.
I beg make you no vex. Okay, you know what? Me I go try hard 5k.
At least 5k, at 20k.
No be me do the thing now. I just want
Who
contribute.
can call you for the matter? Who can call you?
Make I settle the matter. Make una no fight now.
No wahala. As my good Samaritan. No wahala.
So give me bring the 5k. Make I do transfer for now 10,000.
God me. You sure say you go do one?
How no go do
You sure
am?
say you go do one?
I no do am now.
Na Lagos we dey o.
Eh?
You trust am? You ever see am before?
Just give her money.
But me I
Now
just
you
want.
talk am o.
No wahala, no
Now you
wahala.
talk am o. I go sell your phone if you no give am.
No, I no go do like that now. The money complete.
God me. Na your face I dey look
No
o.
problem, no
Like
problem.
responsible man.
No problem, no problem.
No count on 5,000.
5k abi.
Na 5k no count am.
So give me your account number now.
81
Okay.
30 53
Okay.
45 68. Do am for OPay because I go see am quick.
Okay. I don send now.
Check am o.
Wait now, you go see am. No wahala. No wahala. So you go see am. But if you no see am, if you no see am, if you like,
Wetin be this?
Wetin be this one?
make una pass this
Na
thing.
you talk am.
Make una pass
tell
this
me
thing.
talk am.
Somebody give una money and I no appreciate. If dem go na make una pass this thing.
And you see wetin you cause.
Make una-
Hey.
You go follow am.
Hey you.
You go follow.
You go follow. You go follow. You go follow.
You go follow.